pretend that you overlooked your actual gift.
Open each one up one at a time. Woo!
Section B, 26.5. Yes, indeed.
Woo! You got 2 tickets to see R. Kelly. Yeah. And the surprise is?
Me and Gail going?
No, you and Janice Carter from Minnesota. She's coming down to go with you.
She already knows about it?
Yes. Look at gift number 2. Hello. Woo!
She knew about it already?
The next gift is you are going to see her the following month for 4 days.
Woo! You're gonna go visit your friend. Woo!
That's your flight to Minnesota. Woo!
Oh my God! He going to Minnesota.
Oh my